The types of 3D printing. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the incredible world of 3D printing. Today, we'll delve into a few of the major types of 3D printing, their applications, and the advantages and disadvantages of each technique. But before we begin, if you haven't yet, hit subscribe to be notified of new video releases, behind-the-scenes exclusives, and you may even be in the running for some exciting 3D printed prizes from the most innovative companies from around the world. The first type we'll explore is fused deposition modeling, or FDM, also known as fused filament fabrication. This technique works by extruding a plastic filament layer by layer to build objects. The advantages of FDM include cost-effectiveness due to affordable materials and a wide range of compatible materials. However, it has some limitations, such as lower resolution and surface quality for complex designs. Next up is stereolithography, or SLA. SLA uses a UV laser to solidify liquid resin, layer by layer, creating precise and detailed objects. This technique finds its application in industries such as jewelry, dental, and consumer electronics. From high-resolution prototypes to dental models and artistic sculptures, SLA offers exceptional detail and surface finish. However, SLA comes with a higher cost for materials and equipment, and it has limitations in terms of build volume and slower print times. Moving on, we have selective laser sintering, or SLS. SLS utilizes a powerful laser to selectively fuse powdered materials, such as nylon or metals. With SLS, complex and lightweight parts like turbine blades and customized prosthetics can be produced with exceptional precision. The advantages of SLS include a wide range of materials and high strength of printed parts. However, SLS also has higher equipment and material costs and may require finishing and post-processing for certain applications. Lastly, we have direct metal laser sintering, or DMLS. With DMLS, a high-powered laser melts and fuses metal powders to create fully dense metal parts. DMLS offers the advantages of producing fully dense metal parts with high precision and detail. However, it comes with a higher price tag for equipment and materials and may have limitations in the availability of certain metal materials. And there you have it. A glimpse into the major types of 3D printing, their applications, and the advantages and disadvantages of each technique. Remember, each technique has its own strengths and considerations, and the choice depends on the specific needs of the project. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know what you would like to learn next about the world of 3D printing in the comments. Thanks for watching.